I'm going to show you how you can create your own ebook right on Canva because I created mine on Canva. This is a content smart planner, which is a cheat sheet on creating content. If you don't have this yet, and if you have problems in engagement on your social media and you want to grab this, the link to it will be given in the description below this video. All right, so let's get to it. Right, so this is what I did for my ebook. It's all done here on Canva. Dia sangat senang because everything is just within Canva. It's so easy to apply. And how do you do this? Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do this, and you can add some cool links as well. Because as you can see here, I'm going to show you how you can add your links as well. Right? Okay, so first you open up Canva, and then you can go to features, and then you pergi ke you go to templates, and then you go to newsletters. Bawah marketing ada newsletters, and you click. Bila you click, you will arrive to this place. Okay, so kat sini already ada templates. It depends on your style. There's so many styles here. Pick and choose one yang suit you punya brand, suit whatever that you say. Is it like a clean macam education punya type, or is it something yang macam super duper fun, or is it black coloured behind? All of these colours and all of these pictures definitely kita boleh ubah. It's really up to you. For example lah, let's say if I'm kind of liking this layout, right? I kind of like this layout. Ataupun yeah, I'm kind of liking this. Okay, so as you can see, this is free. All right, so I'm just gonna customize this template. Alright, and immediately it opens up this. So ada dua page kat sini where I can even have the option of adding a video if I want. Okay, so what I can do is, but because I'm thinking of doing it a PDF, so I'd rather just tak add video, just add pictures. So what you can do here is you can change any one of this. You boleh tukar kepada macam maybe like 10 tips. 10 tips for sleeping better. If that's you punya niche, then that's what you can give. I mean, it shouldn't be too long. Okay, I really rasa if you write a 60-page ebook, who has the time to read it, betul tak? Like people have eye fatigue, so the shorter your ebook, the lebih padu it is, the faster it will go. Alright, so the pictures here, how you change it is just you upload the pictures that you want. So I already have like a few pictures uploaded here, so I can change it like that. And then let's say lah, if I want to change the color here, okay, because it's not really suiting my aesthetic. The moment I upload this picture, there's already my picture kat sini kan, and I can choose from here what I want to change it to. See, isn't that easy? Yeah, macam tu je, right? And then this is looking macam alamak, macam cair sangat, so I just change it to maybe black because it's easier to see, right? And maybe this one I want like macam my Instagram or my website, so it could be my Instagram, right? Okay, let's say lah, if I want to like, okay, let me just change this too so that okay, right? Scroll below, scroll, like, look, get in touch. I could ask people to get in touch with me if I want. Okay, let's say, or get connected. Get connected on IG. Okay, ataupun let's get connected on IG. Connect with me. Connect with me on IG. Let's say lah, that's what I want. Right, so let's change to those words. And this is where I want to show you how you can add a link. Alright, this is cool. Pay attention. Okay, this one, you highlight, and then you go to the 3 dots kat sini. Nampak this thing? Link. This is where you put your link. And how to get you punya IG link, you just go to your name, and then you open, make sure you're signed in already lah, so it's easier. So this is my IG. So what I do is I copy kat sini, and then I go back. Where is it? Okay, there you go. Okay, so I go back here, and then I paste kat sini and hit apply. Now, that immediately becomes an active link. So even though when you will save it as a PDF, bila orang klik, dia akan immediately go to your IG. Kalau dia dekat phone, kalau dia dekat desktop, dia akan buka a new tab. Tapi kalau dia dekat phone, dia akan either buka a new tab ataupun follow the default protocol, which is maybe buka the app itself. Okay? So that's an amazing way to get people connected to you even though it's just a PDF. Right? So, and guess what, guys? You can even put your WhatsApp link kat sini. Alright, so this link can be your IG, can be your website, it can be your payment page. Let's say lah, if you are selling packages, you're a fitness instructor, you're selling package A, package B, kat bawah ni lah. Package A, package B, package C, apa-apa yang you nak buat, and then you can immediately macam buy now, terus link kepada Shopee, terus link kepada WhatsApp, terus link kepada payment page dekat website. Anything is possible. Alright, so if they like it, terus beli pun boleh, right? Or schedule a call with you pun boleh. Okay, so if you want more tips, if you love this tutorial, because I'm keeping it like within 7 minutes, if you love this kind of tutorial, make sure, if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification sekali so that you'll be the first to know whenever I come up with amazing tips like this. And also, like, comment down below if you have any questions or if you appreciate this kind of video, because it really helps to tell me what kind of thing that you want me to show you so that I can do more of that, right? Okay, so good luck, all the best, and I'll see you in the comments.